Can you believe that, girls?
It says low battery.
It said low battery. Boy, I'll just ignore it.
No, change the battery.
Change the battery?
Yeah, solve the problem.
Solve the problem?
Yeah.
We're supposed to fix things?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Well, let's go home and change it.
Do we have batteries?
We've got batteries. They're on a Kanban system.
The right ones?
The right ones. Want to go fix a key? All right.
Let's go home and
We're going to go home and fix a key. Join us on Lean Strategies International, LLC, where solutions
ignite your power.
Okay, so we just got home. We discovered a problem in our car and we're going to fix it. And really, that's what Lean is all about, is fixing problems, finding issues that you have in your life, in your processes, at work, in business, at home, anywhere, and solving problems and moving on to fixing the next one. So here we go. We're gonna put a new battery in our car key. We're gonna need a few things to fix our car key here. First of all, the pod for your car. So this is a Ford pod. We're just gonna set that right here. You'll need a CR2032 and a couple of screwdrivers, some smaller ones, flathead. We'll leave a link for all of these products down in the description below in case this is a problem that you wanna solve. If this video helps you out with a problem that you have in your life, then please like it and don't forget to subscribe to the station. It'd be simple enough to take this pod to a dealership and have them change the key. The last time I had them change my key, it cost me $75. Well, then we shipped in a new shipment of CR2032s, and the batteries are absolutely affordable on our website. A common problem that everyone comes across are these lithium batteries. So check out our website. I'll leave a link in the description below for everything, and you can purchase them on there. So let's get to solving this problem. First thing we're gonna wanna do is take your key, and you'll see that right here on the side, there's these two little attachments right there. You want to take your fingers, just like you're going to pinch, and we're going to go ahead and pinch those together, and you'll reach under this Ford logo and you see that the plate just pops right off right there. And so we'll set that off to the side. I've already taken the key out of this, but on most of them you'll see a manual key insert right there, and you just pry that out. And then we're gonna move on to opening this pod up so that we can put in our CR2032 battery. Okay, so we're getting ready to open this up. You can see I've already cracked this open a little bit. Now, one thing you wanna pay attention to is that on a lot of videos that you'll find where they tell you how to open them, the people end up opening the key this way. Now, that's very dangerous because if you hit the electronic chips in there, you're gonna break your pod and you won't be able to start your key anymore, or start your car anymore. So what you wanna do actually is right where we pinch to take this top cover off right here, you wanna kind of pinch that down, and you'll see I've already done that, so I'm just gonna go in here. You take a flathead screwdriver and it'll slide right in. And then you see that this pops up right there. We just simply pull it apart, and voila, there's the battery. Oh, it's a miracle. So now we obviously don't need this. We're going to reach in there, not with our fingers because we don't want to shock ourselves or break anything while we're being clumsy. And you see the negative side is up right there. So we're just gonna kind of pinch in there just like this. And the far side is usually the best because there's an opening. And we don't need this, so we'll get rid of it. And then you get your opening right there with a positive sign. Goes down. So you want to pick up your Lean Strategies International LLC battery and go ahead and put the positive sign facing down and leave your negative sign facing up, obviously. There. Oh, we can just get this in here. And you see it's now in there. So we just take our top piece, again right here with all the electronics, and you're just gonna stick it right back on the same way you took it off. You wanna make sure that none of your buttons fall down in there, because then they kind of get all mixed up. And you just simply go around it with your fingers. Push it closed, nice and tight. Of course, you want to put your key back in. Mine is out in the car right now, so I'm going to go ahead and put this on. And now we've got a key with a brand new battery, and we shouldn't get our Andon signal telling us that the battery is low. So we've solved a problem. Let's go check it out. We just solved a problem. We changed the battery in our Ford Focus key. So we're gonna start the car and see if we get a symbol here.
Let's do this.
All right, there it goes.
No symbol.
None?
No.
We solved the problem. The Andon symbol is gone.